living day after day. Here's a gun, now blow your brains away. You see that wrist, you can slash right through it. Take a second first, and what do you see? Fight for days, that's how it rains. Ground's nothing but corpses remains. Look, your homies, wait, there's armies. Don't fall asleep, zombies always on the creep. The faces are like a blank, don't stare. Skins rotted here and there. Toxic rains melt this ground, allowing more flames to come up and consume all that's around. In the middle of the sky is a big blank spot. The souls fall through after being judged. Does this look enjoyable to you? Does it excite you? Demons gonna rip the skin right off you. In nightmares where you sent you, wish you could undo. Remembering all things that made you laugh. It's all gone, now why'd you do that? I see you're standing in front of the mirror. Gun to head, you have no fear. Down the hall, your siblings here. Can't believe that what they've seen. They start to scream, start puking. Your parents come in, dial 911. But today, no point for them to come. Souls in hell, body in a hearse. Should've thought of the few that loved you first. Let life get to you in the worst. All for what? A new life that is cursed? Do you wanna go here? You don't belong there. What you know about fear, they show you here. Say you hate living day after day. Take your life, see what awaits.